Do you want to restrict your friend to appear on your newsfeed? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. Firstly, you have to go to the person profile you want to snooze. Then tap on three dots. At bottom you will find block. Click on it. At the block screen, you will see take a break button. Tap on it. At this window, you will easily snooze someone by just tapping on done. However, you can use option see less of where you can remove following or limit of appearing on your news feed. This is how you can snooze someone. If you trouble finding this option or looking for Android and iOS smartphone, visit our guide link in description and comment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.